Welcome. IIT Hyderabad has launched a new course which is Masters in Health, Gender and Society, which falls under the Department of Liberal Arts. Now, if you are preparing for this examination, this is a full-time master's course. The eligibility criteria is given and the selection is through the entrance examination. Now, the written test and the interview would be conducted this year on 17th. So, if you are preparing, you definitely have a less time. Now, the written test would be a 2-hour paper which would have MCQs, and then there would be a descriptive section. Now, descriptive section would basically be from the disciplines related to economics, gender studies, sociology, psychology and health studies. So based on this, you have the complete preparation portal here. So if you go on to IITH, which is IIT Hyderabad, you can follow the link for the Health, Gender and Society under Department of Liberal Arts. If you scroll, you would see the list of the topics as given under the syllabus, and then each of the topics, the lectures, the notes are covered in a specific section, so you can practice those and prepare well. As you practice, you would understand what kind of questions are asked, and even the questions for descriptive as well as subjective information are mentioned in the section. So you would have the list of the questions that are descriptive as well as the objective questions, right? So for example, here is one of the descriptive questions that you can see. So prepare well and wish you good luck. In case you have any questions, feel free to connect back to us, and the link for the complete information is given in the description below. Thank you.